kitchen rules is back! Oh yes, I'm in my regular OOTD. It's my pajama. This is a gift from Coach Christine. I actually like it. It's very comfortable. And hindi siya naka-iron. I really hate ironing. So, guys, hindi ako maasahan dyan. I can wear gusot na damit. Wala tayong mga taga-plancha dito. And I'm too busy to do that. For me, it's not important. So, bear with me. Okay, so I have my little kid here. Come on, come on. This is mine. Okay, so and I have a little rat behind me. Like, oh, nakumbaan ako. Okay, so yes, let's get it started. So my first step is I am heating up the butter. So I have this small little pan and I'm trying to melt it because I'm going to mix it with the cookies, crushed cookies. Okay guys, so as you see, even though I'm cooking or whatever I'm doing, I've got my little one with me. And yeah, I just have to deal with what, you know, with the kind of life that I have, and I can't complain, guys. You know, I've asked for a child long time ago and it was given, but as what I have been mentioning in my post, that be careful of what you ask for, because every answered prayer, it comes with a responsibility, and it's the same becoming a mom. It's not easy, but surely it is priceless and worth it. The journey is priceless. Diba, mga mommies and daddies? So, ayan. I'm gonna show you. You mix them. Okay, baby, this is the butter, so you show them how we mix it. Okay, let's see if it's enough. Alright, mix the crushed biscuits and the butter.
Like we're mixing this with bread. Mom, can I do?
Yeah, okay. Keep mixing it up. I need to do more. How are you going with the mixing?
So crunchy.
Are we almost done? Wait, you're making mess. Okay, mix it, Bob. Alright. Watch, it's hot yet. Ta-da! Okay, mix it up. Careful.
What's this? This one. What's this, Mama? What's this?
This is the biscuit and butter.
More. There's more butter. More butter. More butter.
Oh yeah, we added more butter. So you share with them what you're doing, Ava. I'm mixing. Come on.
It's very hot now.
What are you doing, Bob?
It's orange, Mommy. It's orange. Very hot.
Our next step is...
Why do you need the scissors? Why do you need the scissors?
Because...
That?
Ay! Because... Here you go. Alright. Okay, and... we're gonna do this.
But Grandma, you just get it running like that, then it comes out, then you break it. Like that.
Okay, okay, Bosch. But it's not enough. This one.
Then it comes.
Okay, hold that one first.
Wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. Wheels on the bus go round and round. I keep it day.
Let's see if this works. This idea works. Okay. Okay, this should be enough. This should be good. At least not to make it stick up in there. Okay. But usually, guys, you put bata all around it. But today, we'll be fine and we're ready.
Can I
Hold this one. Now, guys, it's time to make our caramel. Okay, so I'm gonna do a little bit of experiment here because, as they say, creating that homemade caramel. Creating that homemade caramel, what you're supposed to do is actually to have the brown sugar, 1 cup of brown sugar, supposedly, and then cream, and also 6 cubes or a tablespoon of butter. So usually the process is supposed to be you are going to melt the brown sugar in a heated pan and add the cream, and then you mix the butter. But what I am doing now, as you can see, is I'm just putting this condensed milk because this has been in my fridge for a little while already and I don't want it to go to waste. So I thought maybe I can use this one. And let's see. Because you can actually buy a ready-made caramel in the shops. And I failed to buy that one. Well, wait, Buffy. Patience is a virtue. And you see, cooking is like success. It cannot be successful not unless you're prepared. So there are preparations involved and also conditioning yourself that I can do this, I can make this, I can make a perfect banoffee pie no matter what, you see? Even if I have a kid na makulit, I can do this and I'm doing it. So here you go, I'll show you. And I'm waiting until it becomes a little bit more brown. We'll see. Not bad.
Look at this.
So again, this is just an alternative, but supposedly it should be caramel. Yeah?
It's so squishy.
We have our magic, what do you call this?
A blender!
Blender. Okay, so yeah.
It goes through the window!
Okay. Wait, and that's it. And it's go. Perfect.
I'm teaching it.
Hi, baby. What are you doing? What are you doing? My assistant cook making a mess. So now it's time to remove.
Mommy, you me.
That's not very nice. You laugh at me. Okay, so we're gonna remove this one. You didn't even ask me if I'm okay.